In this video, I'll be showing you how to make use of a very productive app called Alfred, which will help you to use your desktop on a Mac in a more efficient way. So here it is. It has the logo of a hat and a magnifying glass. You can just go ahead and download the app. As you can see, the ratings are high. It's quite a good app. Okay, so now that it's downloaded, it's going to appear up over here. As you can see, it says toggle Alfred, which means use it, preferences, check for updates, quit. So I'll just toggle Alfred, and as you can see, it's appeared over here. Now there are many things that you can do with this app. For example, you can define a word. All you need to do is press the enter button to get your full definition, or you can just preview it from here. You can even search YouTube. So for example, I want to search YouTube for art. I have pressed enter, and here it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the preferences of Alfred. So here is the panel. And as you can see, we are in the features section. Let's go to the general section. So over here, you can choose what hotkey you want to trigger Alfred. Previously, you saw we had to press the toggle Alfred option, but you can even use any key on your keyboard. So I have chosen Command Space. I find it more suitable. It may ask you where you are. I have kept it international, which is better. Here are the features. These are default results. File search. You can search for files. You can search the web. You can use calculator. You can use the dictionary. As I showed you, you can search for contacts. You can even access the clipboard. And you can even make snippets. Snippets are quite interesting actually. So for example, by clicking the plus button on the other side, you can create a collection. I'm just going to name it Khadija, my name. Go ahead and save it. Now in this collection, you can add a snippet. For example, you can give it the name of date. The keyword can also be the same or something different. Date, for example. Then you add the snippet. You click this brackets here. Date and time. I've chosen date and time full. I go ahead and save it. Now let's go to notes to test this out. So I'm going to go ahead and type date over here. As you can see, nothing happened and you must be wondering why. So let's just go back, and this is the button which you have to click, otherwise it's not going to work. It says automatically expand snippets by keyword, which means if you type the keyword date, as I did right now, it's going to expand it into the full date and time version which I selected. Now let's go edit this again and change it from date and time full. Wait, let's delete it first. Let's change it from date and time full to date and time short. I'm just doing this to show you. You go ahead and save it, and let's go back and type date. As you can see, it has pasted a shorter version of the date and time. So that's what you can do with snippets. And now let's go ahead with the rest of the features. You can even use iTunes, 1Password, which is another app used for saving your passwords. Then there are system settings, which you can access using Alfred as well. So for example, you can ask Alfred to sleep the computer or log out or empty trash like I'm doing right now. It just emptied the trash for me. You can also restart your computer, lock your computer. So for example, lock, and it just closed my computer. So we're back, and as you can see, there are many other things which you can do with the system using Alfred. You can quit apps, such as over here, quit Safari, quit Pixelmator Pro. So this is really an efficient way for you to quit apps or force quit apps. You can even search using Alfred. You can search Google. So for example, I've searched my name. And fun fact, this is my account on Unsplash. It's a photography account. You're free to go and check my pictures. Anyway, back to the point. So the next feature is font size, etc., which is up to you. You can even access terminal through Alfred, which is something else altogether. So I have a power pack license, as you can see, which enables me to use all these features. If you don't have a license, it could mean you won't have some of the features which I showed you. So then there's workflows, which is something else. And then there's appearance. You can choose how you would want Alfred to look like. So I've just chosen macOS dark for now. And these are some advanced settings which we don't want to go into. So that's all for today. Goodbye for now. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.